بسم الله والحمد لله وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تبعه بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Arabic class welcomes you to one of his classes again, the second class, which is going to be lettering. Um, Lettering we mean by lettering how you're going to write Arabic alphabets in its different positions. Like we learned in the previous class, all the Arabic alphabets we learned in the previous class, you will not always see it like that when it's written in text. So each alphabet has different positions or has five different positions, uh, be it in the beginning, in the middle connected, in the middle not connected, at the end connected, at the end not connected. So this is the reason why we're going to be learning lettering, so that when we see these alphabets, we'll be able to recognize them. And when we want to write them, we're going to write them properly, in their respective position. Thank you very much. We dive in now. Okay, so I will just go through the slides very quickly because there's some words we're going to use in the class. Bidayatul mustara. Bidaya means beginning. Bidayatul mistara means beginning. Mistara means ruler. So bidayatul mistara means the beginning of the ruler. Wasatul mistara means the middle of the ruler. Wasatul mistara means middle of the ruler. Nihayatul mistara means the end of the ruler. So these three words, bidayatu, wasatu, nihayatu, will be used frequently in this lesson. And also another two words we'll be using frequently is muttasil, means connected. As you can see that the charger is connected to the phone. So muttasil means connected, and ghayru muttasil means not connected. Ghayr means not. Ghayru muttasil means not connected, and as you can see in the picture below, the charger isn't connected to the phone. Um, and also, it might be good to know that uh, charger in Arabic is called ashahinu. Ashahinu. Then on phone in Arabic it's called al-hatif, and they also call it al-jawwal, or al-hatif or al-jawwal. So these five words will be used frequently. Bidayatu, beginning, wasatu, middle, nihayatu, and muttasilun, connected, غير متصل, not connected. So we have this is the first slide where we're going to be learning how to write Arabic alphabets. So we have on the screen Rasmul Huruf Alif Ba Ta Tha, how we write Alif Ba Ta Tha in the five different positions. So we have Fi Bidayatil Kelma, Fi at Al-Kelma word. Bidaya, we said it's beginning. Huh? So Fi Bidayatil Kelma means at the beginning of the word. I'll write the alphabet. في وسط الكلمة, وسط we said is middle. So at the middle of the word. متصل, connected. في وسط الكلمة, at the middle of the word. غير متصل, not connected. في نهاية الكلمة, at the middle, oh sorry, pardon. في نهاية الكلمة, at the end of the word. At the end of the word, متصل, connected. في نهاية الكلمة, at the end of the word, not connected. So the first box is for Alif, and underneath is the examples of Alif in its different positions. So you can see Alif Hamza or Alif is at the beginning here. Or why I'm saying Alif Hamza or Alif, yeah, it's Alif Hamza, but I'm trying to let you know that the same way we write Alif Hamza is the same way we're going to write Alif. So Alif Hamza here is at the beginning, Alif Hamza here is in the middle, Alif Hamza here is in the middle also, but here it's connected, and here it's not connected. Alif Hamza is here at the end, and Alif Hamza here is at the end. Here it's connected, here it's not connected. So, and also it's good to know that the connection we're looking at the right hand side over here. As you can see, the Alif Hamza is connected to Sin. That's the alphabet before it. It's connected to it. That's the connection we're looking at. And also Alif Hamza here is connected to Jim. It's on the Jim is getting connected to what is before it on the right hand side. So that's we're looking at the right hand side when we're talking about connection. But as for the left hand side, all Arabic alphabet connect on the left hand side except for 6 alphabets, which we're going to know very soon. So without taking your time, let's start. So how do we write Alif Hamza or Alif fi bidayatil kalima at the beginning of the word? How do we write this alphabet at the beginning of the word? So we write Alif Hamza like this, or Alif. So if it is Alif, we remove the Hamza. And if it's Alif Hamza, we put the Hamza on it. So this is how we write it at the beginning. في وسط الكلمة متصل. How do we write Alif Hamza at the middle of the word? Connected. So we said the connection is from the left. From the right. When we talk about connection, we're looking at the right, because by default on the left, all our Arabic alphabet is connected. So we have the connection on the left, on the right, because we said fi wasat al-kalima muttasil. So we have the connection on the right, and we write the Alif Hamza or Alif afterwards. Okay. Then fi wasat al-kalima غير متصل, at the middle of the word, not connected. So how do we write it? So since it's at the middle of the word and it's not connected, so we're not going to have connection on the right, then we write Alif normally. But on the left, you can see on the left, we've not had any connection. And we said all alphabet connect on the left. That means Alif is one of the exemption or the exempted 6th alphabet I said. So Alif is one of them. So he said, في نهاية الكلمة متصل. So at the end of the word connected. So this is the connection on the right. Then Alif joins. Then في نهاية الكلمة غير متصل, at the end of the word not connected. So we can see there's no connection on the right. So when you look closely to the example underneath here, you see the Alif at the beginning is written the same way we wrote it here. And Alif Hamza at the middle connected is written the same way we wrote it here. It's connected to Sin. And Alif at the beginning, it's at the middle, not connected. It's not connected to to Ra. There's no connection between both of them. And Alif Hamza at the end, connected. You can see the connection between Jim and Alif Hamza. And Alif Hamza at the end, not connected. So we can see there's no connection between Ra and Alif. So we go to Ba. So the same way we write Ba is the same way we write Ta, is the same way we write Tha. But Ba has a point under, and Ta has 2 points on it, and Tha has 3 points on it. So I will just explain Ba, then I write Ta and Tha, and then we go to the next one. So Ba fi bidayatil kalima. How do we write it? Oh, we're going to write Ba. Are we going to leave it like this? No. We're going to have a connection on the left, because we said when we talk about connection, we're looking at the right, because we don't care about the left. Why? Because all alphabet on the left will just connect to the alphabet next to them, that is coming after them by default, except for 6 alphabets, which Alif Hamza or Alif is one of them. So since Ba is not from those 6 alphabets, so you will see the connection by default on the left. Okay, so this is how we write Ba at the beginning of the word. So Ba fi wasat al-kalima muttasil, we said it's connected, so we have to have the connection on the right. Then we write the Ba. Then by default, it has to have connection on the left. So this is how we write Ba at the middle of the word connected. So Ba at the middle of the word not connected, we write Ba normally. Then by default, it has a connection on the left. because we said it's not connected. So on the right, there's not going to be a connection. في نهاية الكلمة متصل, at the end of the word connected. So we have a connection. Then we write ba. Then في نهاية الكلمة غير متصل, at the end of the word not connected. So we write ba normally as we saw it in the first class. So it's going to be written normally now. So when you look at this alphabet, you see that in these 5 different positions, ba has changed, has been written in different ways. So you must know that anytime you come across any of these way that ba is written or other alphabets are written, you have to know that this is this alphabet. Okay, so likewise, we're going to write ta the same way we wrote ba without taking your time. So ta is going to be, ta is going to be written like this in the beginning, like ba, but 2 points on it. Then we have ta in the middle, connected. Then we have ta at the middle, not connected. Then we have ta at the end, connected. And we have ta at the end, not connected. But as for ta, we have 2 types of ta at the end of each word. So that's why the first one is written normally like ba and sa. But as for the other one is called ta marbuto. Ta marbuto, the round ta. So it's written like aha. But it has 2 points on it. So this is how it's written. Then we have the other ta at the end, which is not connected, is written just round and 2 points on it. So when you see this, it's ta, but if there's no 2 points on it, it is ha. So likewise, we go to sa now. So sa at the beginning of the word. Sa at the middle of the word, connected. Sa at the middle of the word, not connected. Okay. Sa at the end of the word, connected. And sa at the end of the word, not connected. So let me stop here, then we'll continue in another record with the remaining alphabets. Thank you very much for your time, and I see you in the next segment. Barakallahu feekum.